In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly's plagiarism tools effectively, ensuring your writing maintains its originality and is properly cited. Maintaining integrity in your writing is crucial, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to write. Grammarly provides a seamless way to check your work for potential overlaps with other sources, helping you avoid plagiarism and preserve your unique voice. First, it's important to ensure that your Grammarly account includes access to the plagiarism checker. This feature is available with Grammarly Premium, Business, and Education subscriptions. If you have one of these accounts, you'll be able to utilize this tool, which is accessible both through the web and in supported applications. Let's walk through the process of checking your document for plagiarism using Grammarly. Begin by opening or uploading your document in the Grammarly editor. If you're using the web version, simply log into your account and import your file. If you're working within a supported application, such as Microsoft Word, you can also integrate Grammarly to access the tool directly. Once your document is ready in the Grammarly editor, look towards the right side panel where you'll find the plagiarism option. In some versions, it might say, "Check for AI text and plagiarism." Click on this option, and Grammarly will begin scanning your text against a vast array of online sources and databases. This feature helps you pinpoint areas that might require citations or rephrasing. As the results come in, Grammarly will highlight segments of your text that resemble content from external sources. If any sections are flagged, Grammarly may offer citation suggestions in widely recognized styles like MLA, APA, and Chicago. This is incredibly helpful if you need to incorporate these styles into your work. Next, you'll want to carefully review the flagged sections. Determine whether the match is permissible. For instance, common phrases might not need citation. However, for more significant matches that involve someone else's ideas or exact wording, it's essential to add a proper citation or use quotation marks to give credit where it's due. If the text seems too closely paraphrased, take the time to rewrite it more distinctly in your own words so it genuinely reflects your interpretation or understanding. Once you've made the necessary edits, it's a good practice to rerun the plagiarism check or thoroughly review the flagged sections to ensure that all issues have been addressed. This last step helps you submit or publish your work with confidence, knowing that it's both original and duly credited. By following these steps, you can use Grammarly effectively to avoid plagiarism, turning your attention to generating insightful and authentic content without the worry of unintentionally overstepping intellectual property rights. Stay tuned for more tips on how to enhance your writing skills.